Hi, we're the Code Dragons. I'm Spencer.
I'm Houston.
I'm Nick.
I'm John, and this is our project.
Our co-designer is Katie. She suffers from panic disorder, meaning that she has frequent and repetitive panic attacks. During these panic attacks, she's immobile and non-communicative, so it's hard for her to ask for help, which is where we come in. Our single-sentence product objective is to help Katie communicate with others during a panic attack.
At first, we had the idea of making an app that would help people with mental disabilities with their day-to-day lives. This app would provide features like a journal or a calendar to help them with their day-to-day lives. But when we got our co-designer, Katie, she pointed us in the direction of making something to help her during a panic attack. We found out that having friends around her and can help her during this panic attack. So we came up with the idea of making a button that when clicked, it'll send a message to her friends to come help her during this panic attack. But after the first peer review, we decided to buy a programmable smartwatch instead of having to make the button. So as we bought a Bangle JS2, and then as soon as we got it, we got hard to work programming the app for the watch, which we programmed on GitHub, and the app for the phone, which we programmed on Flutter. This app is clicked, it will send a message to her friends, and then her friends can come help her during this panic attack. We made the watch to where it has an app on it, and when this app is clicked, it will display a message to help communicate with those around her during this panic attack. We also made it to where we have an app on the phone, and when this app is clicked, it will send a message to her friends, and then her friends can come help her during this panic attack.
Through this challenge, we learned many things in the way of product design. First, we learned many developer tools like Figma, GitHub, and Bluetooth. We also had to learn 2 new coding languages, Flutter and JavaScript. Secondly, we got a big lesson on problem solving. Like we mentioned in the iteration section of the video, we went into the project expecting to make a whole device on our own and build our entire project from scratch. Then, after Josea's advice not to mine our own copper, we realized we could buy an open source watch to hugely decrease our needed time for the project.
As to not mock a person going through a panic attack, we have chosen to demonstrate our product without actually acting out the process of having a panic attack. So we'll merely be talking through the project. So for the first demonstration of our project, we have a case where Katie is in a crowded area where a lot of people are around her, and she has a panic attack. So when this happens, she will get out her watch and she will press the button and then navigate towards the app. And it will display a message so that she can communicate what is going on with her. So let's say a passerby comes through and sees Katie distressed, and they want to help her. While Katie can't move or speak during a panic attack, she did tell us she can point and small actions like that. So a person who would otherwise not know what to do or how to help Katie would now be able to safely communicate with her and be able to help her safely and efficiently. For our second demonstration, we have a case where the co-designer is without her watch. So she can't use the application on the watch, she'll have to use it on the iPhone. So the co-designer will go to her library and then press the app, press the button, and then the send button whenever she has a panic attack. And then her trusted individuals will get a message on their phone that has a custom message that she can set within the app. With more time on the project, we would give the watch the function to send messages to trusted individuals just like the phone app can. We would also make the product automated. By monitoring Katie's vitals for about 2 years, we can see what changes occur when she has a panic attack. Then we can give the watch the ability to detect these changes and automatically activate the program when they happen. Thank you for the opportunity to participate in this challenge. We've learned a lot and had a great time. Thank you.